What's up, YouTube? Posted up today, man. We down here at my boy Rick's shop. We do all our mechanic work for our cars and rides. Me and my boy Stan, It's Tally, YouTube channel. We down here get some things done. Putting flow inside of his Vert. I gotta let y'all guys peek this game out. Let y'all see what's going on with this. And my boy Stan right there. And my boy Rick right here grinding. Making his pan for the bottom of the floor up inside the Vert and the Donk. Piece of rust work. We're going ahead and clipping it out. Here we go over here. And with my boy True Grit, is what we got getting ready to come see you with, baby. And then head down that way. True Grit cousin gonna be laying the paint on this thing, huh? Rick just finished rewinding everything up. I'm gonna lay the LS off in here. Let y'all see that in a minute. This is what Rick cutting the pan for now. Rick custom making a pan, fit down in the flow, fit up in there. I know y'all looking like, oh Lord! But baby, look at everything all good. Rick went in through, cleaned up all the wires. Got all these wires out here, all that's the old wire. Clean all that shit up. Fresh new carpet going in, baby. Boy, finna go with that goddamn root bill. Got down that root bill and that doodle brown top. Look it up. Look at the Thank Rick playing. Thank Rick motherfucking playing. No games being played around here, boy. Goddamn full blown LS swap in. Coming on over here. Main thing, getting this flow welded in. Look at that. There's a digital dash right here. That fire decoder. Digital dashed up in there. That's I'm saying the radio with this shit. Oh no, we got goddamn this Tally on the goddamn grinder. Look at this in this shit. 69 building shit right here, man. And the transmission. Alright, now what's going on, big dog? There's the transmission for the Buick. Pick up my LS motor right here, baby. Yes, sir. We got my LS right here in the pocket. All really wired up, man. 100 ready to go. Everything ready. Plug and play action. All that shit, man. Everything listed out. Fuel pump relays, signal outputs. Everything ready, baby. Everything ready. Yeah, we got my LS kit coming. LS swap in the box. Ain't gonna take long for it though. It'll be here sometime this week. We also got That's how it's supposed to be. That's why I recorded in. Oh yeah, that's super clear. Like I say, just put it on your Google Drive. Yeah. Hey, like I was saying, man, we gotta get my LS motor. We about to put it inside the Buick as soon as we finish doing my flooring. We're welding everything in now. Ain't got long to go. Tim just got a lot of cars in right now with my boy Tim over at Hot Wheels Paint Body. That's who doing all my body work on it right now. But my parts just came in. I just got the parts in for that. But we ain't got long to go. I see my boy It's Tally right here. Posted up. I ain't in the truck today though. I'm in the Tahoe today, baby. I'm out here in the Tahoe today. Goddamn snotty nose over there. She got down a little goddamn dusty and dirty though. I gotta go get a wash on her. Take over to the car wash today and get her washed up good, cleaned up. We got the lift kit coming in for her. I already ordered it. Rick gonna put the lift kit on that so we can fit the rims and tires on there that I got from my boy London off of his 2020 Ford Ranger. I had to get adapters for it though too, because I had to go from 5 to 6. Cause there was 6 lug, and the 99 was a 5 lug. But hey, everything is about damn falling in pocket, man. We got a few more things to do. But today, main focus on the footage. I wanted to get some of the 75 Vert over here. Had to get my boy Stan in. get everything in on his. We got a few more things. Hey, make sure y'all hit that comment box down there too, man. Let us know what you're thinking about these 75 Verts. I'm glad y'all get to seeing it in these broke down states, because with it all like this, you're gonna be looking like, God damn, cuz that shit fucked up. That shit right here. That's why when we put this shit together, see these shoes on it, everything looking good, you're gonna be like, God damn, them boys ain't playing down there. Stan, what you doing for a steering wheel? You matching it with the rim? Yeah, my dog probably going with Ruchis. We're still waiting right now. We're trying to look into it and see what's going on, but undecided on all that right now. Still waiting on him. I'm still undecided too, but we're gonna figure something out. We're ready to make it all happen one way or another. Gonna get the Ruchis and all on there. Secrets, but we letting y'all on the inside of where we getting all this shit done. You see all they fire LS swaps, motors, everything, man. Got them exclusive shit, man. Perfect. Whew. Yeah.
Why you didn't just grab it?
Oh, they're hot.
Okay. Come over
Say it
here.
again, now you did what?
Cut the piece they had bent, cut it off, flip it over, and re-weld it back on so it'll reach over here to spot weld. But you'll never be able to tell it's two separate pieces. You got the super glue? We're finna get this thing buttoned up.
Super glue that thing in pocket, baby.
Don't get it.
You see that strip you cut off?